In order to add a house or apartment under my company, I simply click the New button, and then I select would I like to add a second company, a house, or a building. And a building can be an apartment building or a duplex. Let's add a house. My new single-family home has been added. Click OK, and now I can fill in the address and any other information for my single-family home. Once you've entered your information, there's no need to press save. It's automatically saved when you go from one box to the next. You can click the back button to go back to the properties page, or you can click on any of the tabs above.